I don't trust these COVID vaccines, Dr. V. I'm not going to get vaccinated.
Why, Tovu?
Most vaccines take years to get made, and yet these vaccines took less than a year? I'm sure they've missed some safety checks.
No, they haven't. Imagine a curved path and imagine a straight path with the same number of roadblocks. It would take a lot less time to travel the straight path, despite equal number of roadblocks.
Didn't we chalk out a straighter path because of COVID-19?
We did. But the phases in the clinical trial remained the same. Number of participants in each clinical phase was the same. Safety checks were as thorough as for any other approved vaccine.
Then what did you have to cut out to make the path straight?
Well, all these companies were given lots of money and other resources to make quick vaccine development possible. Global cooperation has been like never before.
Thank you, Doc. I think the vaccine is safe now, and I'll take it.